sneezing, the best one-time treatment using honey. We don't believe what happened. The honey effect of sneezing is common, natural remedy believed to be effective, reducing the severity and frequency of sneeze. The idea, when you eat local honey, you also ingesting pollen from local plants that trigger allergy. Over time, the exposure to pollen can help desensitize your immune system and make it less sensitive to it. There's some scientific evidence to support the honey effect of sneezing. One study found people who eat local honey for at least 2 weeks reported significant decrease in their allergic symptoms, including sneezing. Another study found honey effective in reducing inflammation in the airway and help relieve sneezing. To use honey for sneezing, simply take the teaspoonful of honey 3 times per day. You can eat honey on its local or add to drink. If allergy of honey, if you have any concern, here what one person has to say about the effect of sneezing. I used to suffer from terrible allergy, and sneezing was one of my worst symptoms. Another one, I tried to get relief, but nothing seemed to work. Then I heard the effect of honey. I was skeptical at first, but I decided to give it a try. I started taking a teaspoonful of local honey every day, and within few weeks, I noticed big difference. My sneezing was reduced at least half. I am so grateful for this natural remedy. If you suffering from sneezing, I encourage you to try the honey effect. It is a safe and effective remedy that can help you get relief. This is about experience of the world, and we add to it immediate relief of symptom by use of honey. Use toothbrush to honey to clean the teeth and gingiva and side of mouth. Clean the floor and the mouth and the other parts of the mouth and the roof. Gargling and rinsing the mouth with honey. Clean the nostril using finger with honey. Put honey at least at closed upper eyelid. This will give immediate relief, but you can repeat again and again in this, as there is no side effect, no overdose of honey. Sneezing white time treatment, honey nostril mouth. We greatly encourage use of local honey beside the ingestion of honey. Ingestion will give remote effect, but local effect of honey is immediate. Try it. I will not disappoint. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.